This is not just a car. It's the most protected vehicle on Earth. It's built to protect the most powerful person in the world.
This video will show you how the world's safest limousine car is made in a factory for the US president.
From raw steel to the president's armored limousine. The process begins long before a single part is assembled.
Special military-grade steel is precision cut to form the armored shell.
Automation ensures perfect strength and precision.
The chassis is reinforced far beyond any civilian vehicle.
Each panel is tested to withstand extreme force.
The chassis is reinforced far beyond any civilian vehicle.
A powerful engine is required to move this armored giant.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the manifold. A little to the left. Perfect, set it down.
The overhead crane ensures precise alignment of the armored door. The iconic exterior takes shape.
The door is guided into the aperture using a precision crane system.
Airtight seals protect against external threats. Multiple layers work together to absorb and stop threats.
The installation requires meticulous attention to detail, from the wiring harnesses to the final placement of the captain's chairs and the integration of the control panel.
They're designed to remain intact under extreme conditions.
Installing the multi-layered ballistic glass now. Once the specialized bolts are secured, we run the diagnostic on the motor to ensure smooth operation.
The drivetrain is upgraded for maximum durability. Protection extends beneath the vehicle.
Engage seated. The suspension is designed for stability under extreme loads.
We're installing the heavy-duty caliper now. Use the torque wrench to tighten these bolts to the manufacturer's specification. Always double-check that brake line connection.
The last mechanical components are installed.
An advanced filtration system keeps the cabin secure. Special cooling systems handle the extra weight.
The finish is both symbolic and functional.
As you can see, the reinforcement structure is seamlessly integrated. We use specialized tools to secure the ballistic materials in place. We align the column and use the electric torque wrench for a precise fit. Next are the wiring harnesses for the controls and the airbag. Every system is built with redundancy.
Situational awareness is critical. Secure communication keeps the connected at all times. Noise isolation ensures calm under pressure.
In this pressurized cabin, our advanced communication systems ensure total connectivity and security across the globe. The interior environment is fully controlled.
Inside, comfort meets security. Every electronic system is verified. Extreme temperatures are simulated.
The beast is nearly complete.
Now, the real testing begins.
Stopping power is just as important as speed. Even with damaged tires, the vehicle keeps moving. This is engineering at the highest level. Designed to protect the leader of a nation. From raw steel to armored perfection.
Only approved teams handle this vehicle.
Ready for presidential duty.
It never travels alone.
Subscribe for more American Factory documentaries.